Okay, well, we are here with our student Gloria, and we're going to be talking about hooks in this guided practice. The hook meaning an interesting sentence that can help a writer write a good narrative essay, one that draws in the reader quickly, but also can give the rest of the essay a lot of power. Okay, and what I'm going to do is cast from my phone or send from my phone to Gloria's WhatsApp account, to her account, the first set of hooks. And just ask her, okay, Gloria, are you ready?
Yep.
Good. All right. Now, there are two hooks there, and they're about food in Penang, Malaysia, okay? And which
Okay.
one do you think, Gloria, is the most interesting?
I think that the most interesting is the last sentence in the first hook saying, however, once I got close, I remembered Mrs. Balboa's
Mm-hmm.
great roadie
Chennai.
Chennai place a
Mm-hmm.
few
Okay.
doors down in Penang. In Penang, Malaysia, there's so much choice.
Right. And we're talking about the food stalls and the little restaurants in Penang, in Georgetown. Okay. Now, um, let's go to the. I'm going to send you another set of. You know what happened? Oh no, we're okay. I'm going to send you another set of hooks, Gloria. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And so I'm going to send them now and see if you can get them on your phone. Your your phone is there. Okay.
Okay.
All right. For the sake of this
Okay.
demonstration video. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Um, we're ready to go there.
Ready to go.
Okay. Now, let's see. Now, this one is about visiting Angkor Wat in Cambodia. And you've been there, haven't you?
Yes, I have.
Wow, that's great. Now, uh, look at the two hooks. They're not hooks. One is a hook, I'm sorry. And the other is just a general sentence. So let's get that clear. One is a general sentence that many students use to start essays, but really lack power. You know?
Okay.
And why does the general one lack power?
Is that number one?
Probably, yes, it's number one.
Okay.
And it lacks power because. Why might it lack power? Is it
Well,
very general?
yeah, I
Which one is
think
more personalized, you might say?
I would say the one with all the different kinds of foods
Oh, is that the one from Angkor or is that the one from Malaysia?
from Malaysia.
Okay, from Malaysia. All right. So we'll do it as we'll go over. So what's interesting about that? Why would you want to read that?
Because exotic foods are always of interest to me.
Okay, it is interesting. Would do you think that you would be agreeable to writing something like that rather than a very general?
No, I would like to go there and eat all these
Well, that's
exotic
great. It
foods.
makes you want to eat all those foods. Well, you know what? I think that's good enough. Let's go on to the second one. The second cast. In other words, the one about Angkor in Cambodia.
Okay, I'm
This-
there.
You're
I'm there now.
you're there now. Okay, great. You're there now. All right. And there are two sentences. Which one would be the good hook? The first one or the second one? Or a better hook? Not that these are excellent, you know?
I would say the first sentence.
What's the first one?
That Angkor Wat was the ancient capital of Cambodia.
Oh, really? Okay, what's the next one?
It was the Khmer New Year.
It was Khmer New Year,
But since there was nobody inside, it doesn't make it very interesting.
It doesn't, really. Okay, well, we have a difference of opinion, and that's great. Okay, if you were, which one would you like to read more? If your essay started with that, if an essay started with that, rather.
Would you repeat that, please?
Which opening sentence would draw you in more to
The first sentence.
the first sentence? Okay, all right. So, actually, I was hoping that it would be the second, but it's okay to have these differences of opinion. All right, now, and you have been to Angkor. So, can you talk a little bit about, just for a minute, just 1 minute is good enough, about how you can relate maybe your own experience in some way to one of the sentences?
Well,
It doesn't have to be about Angkor Wat, which you have been to, but it could be about travel in general or some experience.
no, I think I'll stay with Angkor Wat.
Okay.
When I went there, it was very crowded, and it was very hot, and it was too hard for me to go to the actual temple.
Mm-hmm.
Did not have the energy to walk.